Hello everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. My today's project is how to make this beautiful slider box, and I will also show you how to make quilling flowers to decorate it. And inside this I have created this beautiful shrink prink friendship band. So I will also share how to make this friendship band using shrink prink sheets. It's very cute and very easy to make. So I'm just quickly putting my box inside the slider and let's get started. So here I have the template of friends. I will share this in description box. You can just download it, print it, fussy cut it and be ready with these alphabets before doing the shrink prink work. Okay, so I will share how to trace the alphabet on shrink prink sheet here. So I'm just taking one alphabet F and the dimension of this letter is 6.5 by 3.8 centimeters. And after shrinking it, it will become 1/3 smaller than the original size. Okay, so I'm just quickly removing remaining letters and I will trace the F alphabet. So here I'm taking this piece of light green color shrink prink sheet. I have this multicolored pack of shrink prink sheets. This pack contains 10 different color sheets and each sheet is having A4 in size. So you can choose any color of your choice. I will choose different colors for each alphabet. Now the shrink prink sheet has glossy side and frosted side. So I'm going to trace it on frosted side, and since I wanted the glossy side as a front, that's why I am reversing my alphabet and then tracing it on the frosted side. If you want frosted side up, then you can simply take the right side of the alphabet. And the tracing is done using pencil, and now we just need to cut this using scissors and paper cutter. Don't bend it very much while cutting, otherwise it can crack or ruin your shrink prink sheet because these are very fragile in nature. So the small parts I will cut using paper cutter. And the alphabet is ready. Now I'm just erasing the pencil work. And now here I'm taking 2 mm punch machine. So exactly in the center I'm marking using pencil and making one hole so that we can hang it with the bracelet. And it's ready. Similarly, I have prepared remaining letters using different colors of shrink prink sheets like F, R, I, E, N, D and S. So all are done. Now it's time to shrink these. So here I am taking embossing pad in the bottom and just using my heat tool I am just shrinking the F alphabet, and on the whole portion I am just holding it using heat resistant tweezer. Now using acrylic block I am just flattening it from both the sides while it is hot. So just shrinking till the last and then flatten it, and your alphabet is ready. Very easy. So in this way I have shrunk all the alphabets with the same procedure, and now it's time to make the bracelet. So here I am taking one jump ring and pass through the alphabet and one silver color chain according to my wrist size. So I have already added F alphabet and one pearl hanging. So now I'm starting with the next alphabet, that is R, and after leaving little gap, I am adding the alphabet R in one chain. Like this. Now I will share how to make pearl hanging. Just take one T-pin, pass one sequence through this so that our pearl will not get fell, and then adding one more sequence, cut the excess wire and make a loop using plier. Secure it and make proper loop. Okay. Now after leaving some gap, I am going to insert the pearl. So just passing one jump ring through the pearl loop and then passing it through the chain. Very easy. And the similar way I will add the remaining alphabets and the pearl hangings. So after adding all the alphabets and pearl hangings, it is ready. Now it's time to add the lock with this. So on one side I am just adding one jump ring. Then another side also I am adding one jump ring and one lobster lock. Secure it and your bracelet is completely ready. It's looking super cute and very colorful. I'm sure your friend will love this handmade bracelet for sure. Now it's time to make the box. So I'm taking white sheet which measures 25 by 8 centimeters, and from left side I have creased on 2 and 23 centimeters. Rotate the sheet and from left side I have creased on 2 and 6 centimeters. Now I am just folding all the creases, burnishing it using bone folder. Then cutting 4 corners like this and making a slit. Then fold these flaps inside, add little glue and construct the box. And the box is ready. Now to make lid, I am taking again white color cardstock which measures 21.5 by 13.3 centimeters, and from left side I have creased on 0.7, 2.8, 7 and 9.2 centimeters, and I have already folded all the creases. So the slider lid is ready. Now we just need to connect the last flap with the first one by using glue. Burnishing it very well and the lid is ready. Now I'm just sliding my box inside this and it's perfectly done. Then I'm just decorating my box from inside and outside using some pattern paper strips. Similarly, I will decorate it from back side, and also I will decorate my lid using pattern paper strips. So just completing it. And now I'm starting with some quilling flowers. So for my first flower, I'm taking 1/4 strip of dark pink color and I'm making one bended leaf shape or semicircle. Similarly, I have prepared one more. And now I'm taking 1/4 strip of white color and making one leaf shape. I'm joining all 3 petals together and wrapping this whole petal using dark pink strip. So we need total 5 petals to make one flower. I am joining 5 petals together to make the flower. And now I am starting with the next flower. For this I am taking 1/4 strip of yellow color and making one teardrop shape. Again I will join 5 petals together to make the flower. Like this. Now to stick half cut pearls, I am using B6000 glue. It will stick the pearl with the flower permanently. So for small flower I am using small pearl, and for medium flower I am using medium size pearl. So we need 2 these type of flowers and 4 these type of yellow flowers. Now taking back my lid, and I am just decorating the top using this beautiful die cut design. I have cut this border using gold mirror cardstock. Then adding sentiment in the center, thanks for being there, and to give it little dimension I am adding double-sided foam tape and adding the sentiment exactly in the center. And then I am decorating both the corners using my handmade quilling flowers. Like this. Now just opening my box, and in the bottom base I am adding one strip of double-sided tacky tape, and I am going to remove the liner, and then I am going to stick my bracelet on top of this, so that when your friend will receive this gift and he or she will open the box, so your handmade friend's bracelet will be visible nicely. That's why I am just sticking it with the base, so that it will be in proper position. It will not move here and there. Like this. So the beautiful Shrink Prink Friendship Day band with the cute slider box is ready. I'm sure you will make this for your friend before Friendship Day. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and don't forget to click on bell icon for the latest updates and notifications. I'm waiting for your comment. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.